How long has it been on the market?
It's been on the market for sale for about a week. Maybe what's today? 10 days.
Okay. They're gonna be flying in hopefully next week because they were supposed to be here this week, but that didn't happen. So
Sure, yeah. So there is 4,000 square feet of office, including this piece to the left. We'll walk through there.
okay.
Most of it is over here. It can easily be torn out. 4,000 is a hefty amount for this size warehouse, but we can either walk through there first or walk through the warehouse.
Whatever you say. Let's do this one, guys.
So lots of private offices, a couple conference rooms. Some common space, common workspace.
Wow, that's a lot of space.
It's a lot. So comes all the way up here. This is kind of a reception area.
Okay.
So it's definitely going to be a unique person who would actually need all of this office space. Your folks may not. A couple restrooms. A little bit of a maze.
You can get lost here.
That's right. That's right. That's the gist of it. It's a big square with a lot of
Right.
kind of maze in the middle.
Thank you. So was it built at some point, or was it here from the beginning? This part.
It was probably built afterwards.
Okay.
Just because none of it is load bearing. I mean, you could rip out any of it pretty easily.
Okay.
Same as this, you can see it's
Right.
not attached to
Yep.
anything. It's just put here. This could be blown out as well to create more warehouse space. This is kind of a shipping office. The way they used this was actually for their customers. So you can imagine this door wouldn't necessarily be up.
How high is this?
The door?
Yeah, the door.
Is,
Any idea?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So it's 12 by 14.
Okay.
14 high. This kind of an auxiliary office space. What they use this for is customers would come in this door. So they had all their employees over there where we just walked. Customers would come in and they could, talk about shipments or whatever. They
Right.
were. So, but this would be easy to take out if needed. A little office back in there too.
Okay.
So then this room is kind of warehouse one.
Mm-hmm.
You can see they have all their racks here. There's another dock right here.
Is it this raised? I didn't pay attention. Is it raised or is it like lower level?
It's
Like the-
raised.
okay.
We'll step out there
Okay.
in just a second. This one has got a ramp to it, so this is a drive-in door.
Okay.
So this is another 7,000 or 8,000 square feet on this side.
Mm-hmm.
This is where you have higher ceilings, so you get all the way up to 23 feet in the middle, but most of the ceiling height in here is somewhere between 15 and 20 feet. This is a power roll-up door, which is kind of nice in the old building. This is dock 3.
Mm-hmm.
All 3 of these used to be docks. You can tell this was a
Oh, okay.
platform.
I see. They added
It's
it.
a ramp
Uh-huh.
coming up. So the other 2 are still docks. Dock 2 has a leveler on it.
Okay.
Dock 1 is just a platform.
I like it.
Yeah. Are they doing? Are they using the biggest things that would make this space better would be new lighting, LED lighting instead of the fluorescent bulbs.
So the fans are here, right? So
Yes.
what about that part? That's
Yes, there's a
that
couple
one.
fans in
Okay.
there as well. Yep. So you get those going, and it creates a lot more circulation,
Right.
especially in a warm summer. It'd be helpful. And
It's not too bad
a
in
lot
here.
cheaper. I know.
Yeah.
There's a lot of insulation, as you can see, some
Yeah.
older insulation. But,
Okay.
you know, I think the office obviously hasn't been updated in a long time.
Oh, well.
So your ways to improve the building, top two ways in my opinion would be lighting and office space. Office space is very expensive to do if you're going to.
It's not horrible. I wouldn't say that it is, but it
Yeah.
depends on
Yeah,
what their
exactly.
needs are.
If they say, hey, we just need 3 offices,
Right.
you know, you could blow a lot of that out. It's not too expensive to rip that out because
Right.
you're not doing anything
Uh-huh.
to affect the structure of the building.
Exactly.
Get a demo company in here, let them rip it out, and then leave yourself with your
Yeah.
3 offices and a
Needed
conference
space.
room,
Yep.
whatever they need.
Okay.
Could be a simple way to do that.
Yes. So in the lots, that's just it wraps up around this building, or
Yeah, it
Is
just
it-
goes. Yeah, the property line just goes on right on the other side of this building. It's a hill
Okay.
right on the other side, so it goes straight up.
okay. Oh, got it. I like it so far.